We've all been there, stuck in traffic, not moving for hours. Most of us just sit there and fume, but this mom had a different strategy.
Traffic on a snowy interstate is at a complete standstill. Motorists were left stranded for nearly 5 hours.
We were having the worst day ever.
So when the Backstreet Boys started playing on the radio, Wendy Gossett decided it was time for a little dance. Out she goes, and right in the middle of Interstate 25 in Colorado, her 16-year-old son Nathan looked mortified.
In my brain, I was trying to block it all out. I'm looking.
Rock on, Mom.
As a mom, I can confirm we've all embarrassed our kids. It's what we're here for.